Alright, everybody. Yeah, so I just got home and I just got, here, and there's Toys R Us. I went to Toys R Us and got this Elite Series Dean Ambrose. This is his face. And here's the side. It says Dean Ambrose. The back, it has him, his height, weight, signature move, hometown, ring attire, career highlights. Yep. And time to open it. It's time to open it now. But you can see what his face. You can see how good they made it look like. Okay. And it comes with the top hat. And two nightsticks. Yep. This is his face. Yeah. Look at it. And you'll see him. And this is Top Dean Ambrose. Yeah, with the nightstick. Yeah, got the nightstick. Yep, and and coming possibly tomorrow. Maybe, wait, no. Alright. Peace.